this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2020 Ford F-350 XLT. Coming in this nice Oxford white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7-liter power-choke turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got that nice tow hitch. We do get a backup camera, we do get a tough bed and spray liner, mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board, trailer tow mirrors that are spotlighted right there, and blind spot detection, mud flaps on the front. And moving to the front, we have two tow hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, flat fold storage system with a vinyl flooring. We got that 6 additional seat there, 12-volt and cup holders. And of course, you can lift the seats if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do have mostly powered seats, with this being the only manual part. We got the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Got your lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 120,926 kilometers. We do have a vinyl wrap steering wheel. Got your volume, playback, play forward, mode, mute, voice, and phone, cruise control, and toggle for your screen, which you can then go for your display mode, trip and feel, towing, off-road, and other settings. You do have your drive modes right here by just pressing that button in, which we do get normal, tow and haul, eco, sport, and slippery. Oh, and deep sand. So here we got cup holders, little storage cubby, storage underneath, your 6 additional seat that does have storage underneath. You got storage here, USB and USB-C with the 12-volt. You get another 12-volt up here with 110. We got storage above and below. Storage right here. Trailer brake. You have your rear locking diff and 4-wheel drive. Above me, we do have our features for our 6 upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please. Got your engine brake, traction, hazards, and lane centering. On our main screen here, we do have what station we're currently on, a compass and phone. For your audio, you do get your Sirius XM, the GOAT, that's a radio station, AM, FM, and your Bluetooth. You got your phone, any apps you may download will show up right here, and your settings such as your Bluetooth, Ford Pass, Apple CarPlay, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB67061A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.